Syed Aftab I joined Aakash Institute in class 11th at Hazratganj branch, Lucknow, and I am a 2-year medical aspirant at Aakash Institute. I am presently in class 12th at Modern Academy. During these COVID-19 days of lockdown, my institute Aakash has provided me great help by providing us various services and fulfilling our needs so that maximum utilization of these days could be achieved. And this disturbance of COVID-19 has no impact on our goal, that is NEET 2021. Soon after the lockdown, the Aakash Institute took action and started with the online mode of classes, in which 3 to 4 days a week the classes are held, where expert faculties of Aakash Institute strengthen our various concepts. Also, if during these classes any student faces any doubt or difficulty, he may refer to the teachers in between the sessions and the doubts are resolved to the maximum extent. The institute also provides one-to-one student-teacher interaction so that the doubts are resolved and the concepts are clarified and made perfect. Also, the excellent platform of Aakash Digital provides us with various ebooks, modules, and lectures so as to ensure the clarity of our concepts. By all these services and various functions performed by this institute, it's ensuring that every student studying in its institute is having no effect on his or her goal of achieving a medical seat in a good medical college. Also, the moderators of our institute periodically call the students, make them a call so that to ensure that every student is making proper and efficient utilization of his or her time and there's no wastage of time during this precious time of COVID-19 lockdown where people can be so efficient in studies. Also, the online mode of studies adopted by Aakash Institute during these lockdown days is as efficient as the offline mode as well, as user friendly and as student friendly, and ensures that this period of lockdown is fulfilled, is achieved, and every student makes use of his time most effectively and efficiently to ensure maximum productivity and his or her goal of becoming a doctor and wearing a white coat be fulfilled.